Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up sales tax in QuickBooks. Are you charging sales tax? Don't get caught up unprepared. Here's how to set up sales tax in QuickBooks in just a few clicks. Step 1 is to open sales tax settings. From your dashboard, go to the taxes tab on the left sidebar. There you're going to click set up sales tax. Step 2 is to choose your tax agency. QuickBooks will ask where your business is located, and based on this, it automatically configures your tax rates and agencies for your state or region. For example, if you're in California, it connects you to the California Department of Tax and Fees Administration. Step 3 is to confirm your business details. Verify your business address, industry, sales tax registration number if you have one. If you're not registered yet, you can still continue and add it later. Step 4 is to set up tax categories. QuickBooks will ask what kind of products or service you sell. Some may be tax exempt, like groceries or digital products, while others are taxable. Select the correct categories to make sure taxes are applied correctly. Step 5 is to add tax agencies. You can manually add local tax agencies if QuickBooks doesn't list them automatically. Just go to Sales Tax Settings and click Add Agency. Enter the agency's name and filing frequency. Step 6 is to create tax group. If you operate in multiple regions with different tax rates, just set up a combined tax rate. Click New Tax, Combined Tax, and enter each component's rates. For example, state 5%, local 2.5%, and the likes. Step 7 is to start invoicing with tax. Now, when you create an invoice or sales receipt, QuickBooks will automatically apply the correct tax rates based on the customer's location and your product or service category. A pro tip is to enable automated sales tax to let QuickBooks calculate rates based on real-time location and tax law updates. Next up, we're going to look at how to invite your accountant to QuickBooks accounts so they can review everything with ease. And don't miss out on that. And if you like this one, then please give the video a like, share the video, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.